funny.
Alright guys, this is the little island at night. I do want to do this on foot one day. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Someone's not doing their job because I was able to come up here on my electric scooter. But don't blame me. Look at this beautiful view. Hey, what's up, buddy? How can I help you?
Okay, but no riding inside.
Oh, there's no riding inside?
No riding inside.
Oh, I'll leave right now. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. I'm going to do it real slow out, okay? Very slow. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Yeah, they should never even let me in here. Right. Let me be quiet and let you enjoy this peaceful ride right here. Stadium. Let me get out of here. Guess I'm the first person here with a scooter. Breaking the law. Think he'll catch me if I go up this way, guys? No, we'll save it for the walking tour. Have a good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you. So that was Little Island. Quick little video right there. Well, how about we put it with the new beach they have right here that they opened last year. We'll combine the two together, make the video a little longer. So in the summer, you go to Little Island and then you go to the beach here. Let me show you around the beach. We have 2 dog parks here. We have a lot of seating over here. These are the dog parks. One's for small, one's for big. You have a little gym right here. Hold on, give me a second. A little workout gym right here. The camera. See if we could go around this. There's the dog park. There's a humongous field right here. Let's see how good this scooter works on this turf. It's an off-the-road turf. Oh yeah, this is perfect. There's bathrooms over here. Let's exit. Where's the exit? Right here. No more snow, guys. It's Jersey. A lot of seating here. Some grass to lay on. And here's the sand. I'm not going to ride on the sand. Even though this is off-road, I know it's not going to ride good on the sand. Unless it was Daytona. I'll ride on that sand. So here's the beach. Looks like a ghost town because it's 30 degrees. And no one in their right mind wants to be on the beach, except for me. So if you're here in the spring, summer, I mean, it's only going to be 2 more days of coldness over here in the city, and it should be spring soon. Then it's going to hit the 50s. Nice little walking path right here. You can sit down in the summer and spring. It's real nice to sit here. You see the bathrooms right here. This is only 1 year old, so everything's nice and clean. And yeah, that is the little island. And I forgot the name of this beach. That's our little tour right there.